Hey, animal behavior students. Wanted to give you a little introduction to the week before we got started. There's two assignments that are still due in Schoology. One is your individual behavior project that you're starting. You're going to write the ethogram for that. That's due on Tuesday. Now, before you write that ethogram, and if you've already written it, please go back and edit it and resubmit your answer. I'd like you to go look at your scores on the ethogram that you submitted at the end of last week. Okay. Now, if you haven't submitted that work from last week, which I know some of you were struggling with trouble with the internet and things like that, please talk to me. Let me know if I can help with anything or get that work submitted. And then you're going to need to wait until I grade that before you can do that individual research project. If you're all caught up and you're all ready to go, you open this up on Monday, you go and look at your feedback because you already submitted the work. You can then write your second ethogram. This is going to be based on your individual behavior that you've decided to study. Once you've written that ethogram, then you'll go on to our Unit 2 work, which is Unit 2 is all about asking questions. So if Unit 1 is all about describing behavior, Unit 2 is all about asking about behavior, and that's what we're going to be doing next. And there's a couple of assignment due dates this week for that. If you have questions, please make sure you're messaging me on Schoology. Come in and check in with me during my office hours between 11 and 1. I'd love to see some of your faces and just talk about how things are going. If you have questions, it can be about biology, or it can be about coronavirus, or it can be about animal behavior. I'd be happy to talk to students. I must say, like, as much as this is quite different, and I appreciate the challenge of trying something new. I'm realizing that a big part of why I like being a teacher is because I like being with students, and it's tough not seeing everybody. So, but I'm doing the best I can. I hope you're doing the best you can, and if there's any way that I can help you, please let me know. Try to go ahead and get your second ethogram done first. That should be your first priority, and then move on to the Unit 2 work. If you have not written your first ethogram and submitted it, I will try to get those graded as quick as possible. But if you're just submitting it now, your first ethogram, right, the one that you was due last week, submit that, and then go ahead and get started on Unit 2. And then every once in a while, just check back, look to see if I've given you feedback, and then you can go and add to your individual project. All right, everybody. Good luck, and I hope to talk to you soon.